Okay, we're ready.
Can we start it?
Yep. Alright, there's the phase converter. There's the motor.
Quite a amount.
There's some of our electrical lines.
Can you get your box over?
That line goes to the bandsaw. We'll come back and get it. Okay.
Huh?
Now let's start the planer. Uh-oh. What happened? Let's try it again. There we go. I think you may just not pushed it in all the way. Alright, there she is. 70-year-old. Alright, let's stop it.
You need to grease that real good, son.
Now we'll come over here and we'll turn this off. That's it.